Today we are going to solve 3.7 dynamics numerical. Two masses 26 kg and 24 kg are attached to the ends of a string which passes over a frictionless pulley. 26 kg is laying over a smooth horizontal table. 24 kg mass is moving vertically downward. Find tension in the string and acceleration in the bodies. Let's solve this. Solution. Given data. One thing you always remember, that we take M1 as which is moving upward or downward. So we take M1 is equal to 24 kilogram. We know G is equal to 10 meter per second required. Tension which is equal to T and acceleration A in the bodies. We know that T is equal to M1 M2 over M1 plus M2 into G, and A is equal to M1 over M1 plus M2 into G. Now putting the values, T is equal to M1 24 into 26 into 10, 24 plus 26. Six two 40 by calculating on the calculator over 50, or T is equal to 124.8 Newton, or we can write it as T is equal to 125 Newton. This is the first answer that we need to calculate. Now calculate the acceleration. A is equal to 24 over 24 plus 26 into 10. 24 over 50 into 10. A is equal to 24 divided by 5 equal to 4.8 meter per second. So A is equal to 4.8 meter per second. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any particular question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.